Most fuel-injected vehicles rely on an airflow sensor to accurately determine the amount of air entering the engine. This enables the ECU to add the precise amount of fuel. Over time, the airflow sensor can become dirty, leading to incorrect readings and miscalculated air-fuel mixtures. Symptoms of a dirty airflow sensor include rough or erratic idle, stalling, hesitation, reduced performance, poor fuel economy, difficult starting, a check engine warning light, and even shifting problems in automatic-equipped vehicles. Rather than having to replace a dirty and troublesome airflow sensor, you can easily restore its functionality using Liqui Moly Airflow Sensor Cleaner. It's recommended you do so every time you change the air filter. Its special solvent is fast-acting, yet gentle enough to safely clean all common airflow sensors utilized in both diesel and petrol engines. Liqui Moly Airflow Sensor Cleaner is also safe for cleaning all other types of electronic engine sensors. Airflow sensor location differs from vehicle to vehicle. However, it's always located between the airbox and the throttle body and must be removed for cleaning. Unplug the sensor, undo its retaining screws or clamps, and remove. Airflow sensors are very delicate, and under no circumstances should you ever touch its internal elements. Only use Liqui Moly Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Do not use any type of throttle body, carburetor or brake cleaner, as these will leave behind a potentially damaging residue. Along with its rapid evaporation rate, its lack of residue is another distinguishing feature of Liqui Moly's Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Undertake the cleaning process in an open, well-ventilated area while wearing protective gloves and eyewear. Hold the sensor away from you and spray in liberal 3 to 5 second bursts. The vigorous jet will dissolve and dislodge any built-up contaminants. Be sure to get into every area and allow the contaminants to simply drip off. Repeat the process until scrupulously clean, giving it a few minutes to air dry between applications, along with at least 10 to 15 minutes drying time before reinstallation. Never attempt to wipe it dry. Once clean, installation is the reverse of removal. Now all that's left to do is enjoy your engine's improved performance, idle quality and fuel economy. Energize your engine with Germany's #1 oils and additives.